Hi, I'm Cinda from neoballoons.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a very simple 2-balloon flower. All you do is take one 260 and inflate it, leaving about 4 inches at the end, and a second 260 for the stem, inflating it, leaving about 1 inch at the end. Now for the flower, to minimize the poppage risk, I like to squeeze the balloon a bit, loosen it up. Just a light squeeze all the way down. Now, for the flower petal, you make a 1-inch loop and then twist it. I usually take the end and put it right through the center of the loop to minimize the chance of it coming down. Next, make another 1-inch loop and twist. A third 1-inch loop and twist. A fourth 1-inch loop and twist, and finally a fifth 1-inch loop, and again twist. Now you have a nice daisy. With this remaining, we don't need it, so all you do is cut off the end so it uninflates, tie it, and wrap it right around the center between your flower petals. Now I typically pull the flower petals apart a little bit just to loosen them up. Next, take your green stem and make a bubble about 1 inch. Pinch it in and twist. Now pull apart between two of your flower petals and just slide this right in there. Next, you'll see this little tab. We don't need that, so you just pull it down and twist it around one of the flower petals. This gives you a nice round center. For the leaves, all we do is fold about halfway down the flower stem. Now make another fold, and right in the center of these two folds, you're going to squeeze and twist. This gives you two nice leaves, and you may have a little bit at the end. All you do is squeeze the balloon a little bit, and it'll pop right out. And an advantage of doing this also is it makes the balloon a little looser, which minimizes the pop risk, and voila, you have a beautiful daisy. Thank you, and please check out the website neoballoons.com, and have a wonderful day.